Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding, in all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. Jeremiah 29 verse 11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Romans 8 verse 28, and we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. Psalm 37 verse 5, commit your way to the Lord, trust in him and he will do this. Isaiah 55 verses 8 to 9, for my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares the Lord. As the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways and my thoughts than your thoughts. Matthew 6 verse 33, but seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Psalm 46 verse 10, he says, be still, and know that I am God, I will be exalted among the nations, I will be exalted in the earth. Philippians 1 verse 6, being confident of this, that he who began a good work in you will carry it on to completion until the day of Christ Jesus. 2 Corinthians 5 verse 7, for we live by faith, not by sight. Job 42 verse 2, I know that you can do all things, no purpose of yours can be thwarted. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.